Experience the joy of sewing at Luke's Sewing Centers and any of our 4 Greater Cincinnati locations. We have an excellent staff with very knowledgeable educators ready to help you improve your skill and passion for sewing, quilting, and embroidery. Here at Luke's Sewing Centers, we offer lessons, classes, VIP club nights, in-house servicing, and a wonderful staff ready to serve you for all of your sewing needs. Be sure to visit our website, Facebook pages, and YouTube channel for all of our upcoming classes and events. Don't forget to mark your calendars for the upcoming OSQE Quilt Show in Sharonville, Ohio, Thursday, September 16th through Saturday, September 18th. Come visit us in our Husqvarna Viking booth number 402 and our Janome Elna booth 302. We have so much to show you, from edge-to-edge quilting, embroidery in the hoop, free motion quilting, and more. Join us at our Make It Take It stations and discount tables for slash prices on all notions and accessories. The best part, don't miss out on seeing the unveiling of the brand new, state-of-the-art, top-of-the-line Janome embroidery quilting machine. We look forward to working with you here at Luke's Sewing Centers, where you can always count on having a great time with wonderful sewing enthusiasts. As always, experience the joy of sewing at Luke's Sewing Centers.
You can see Genevieve and hundreds of others this Thursday through Saturday at the Sharonville Convention Center, where you can find shopping, classes, a big quilt show, and how-to demos, and 3 days worth of fun. For more information on this event and to register for classes, go to sewingexpo.com.